The club has increased the initial early bird period by a month from December 31st to January 31st, and renewal figures are up 26% on the same time last year. There is also an early bird price reduction totaling as much as £30*** on last season's discounted adult price. Seniors, full-time students and under 18 discounted prices have also been cut by up to £20**. It means adult season tickets will now start from just £399**, while under 18s, increased from under 16s, can watch the Swans in action from as little as £69**. Prices for seniors and full-time students begin at £269**, while the most expensive adult season ticket at the Liberty remains fixed at £489** before March 31st. Prices increase across the board from February 1st but are guaranteed not to exceed last season's final renewal price if purchased before March 31st, 2019. Category: stand from December 3rd to January 31st, from February 1st to March 31st. Price: pound, adult west £459, £489, east £399, £439, south north £399, £439, senior citizen 65. There are two seasonal parking options for supporters: Light Ladders SA79BB, approximately 15 minutes walk, for £70, or Landor Park and Walk SA12JT, approximately 10 minutes walk, for £120. For supporters opting to go car-free, you can add a seasonal Zelo pass. Zelo provides an on-demand coach service which picks up fans near their pub or home, drops them off right outside the Liberty Stadium and will be waiting to take them home after the game. Supporters can also order a voucher for a 2019-20 replica home or away jersey with free shirt printing. This voucher, £45 for adults and ladies and £35 for junior and infant, will be redeemable in stores and online when the new kits are launched. The club is offering fans the opportunity to spread their payments for their season ticket and any additional extras with an attractive finance package with Zebra Finance. For full finance details, click here. How to renew: the quickest and easiest way for supporters to renew their season ticket is to do so online here, from today until March 31st, 2019. Supporters are also welcome to visit the ticket officer phone 01792-616-400 to renew their season ticket. To renew online, you must ensure you have a Swans Club account. Are able to log in via login.swansasp.com or linked to their own correct season ticket account number under the Link My Account page of their profile. This number needs to match the number on the bottom left corner of your card. If the wrong account is linked, please email protected. Important: if you wish to renew online and haven't yet created your Swans Club account, please read our story here for more information on how to create your new account. If you need help, please email protected as soon as possible. Please ensure that you have a valid email address at the time of renewal, as your application cannot be completed without one. All existing season ticket holders who renew will not receive new cards in the post, so please make sure you keep your current season card. Your season ticket will also be available on the official Swans app to use for match day entry. Supporters are advised that the club will be making two significant age group changes to ticket categories next season, increasing the seniors' age from 60 to 65 and children from under 16 to under 18. For more information, click here. For clarity, to qualify for the senior rate for existing season ticket holders, you must be 60 on August 1, 2019. Similarly, if you are 18 on August 1, 2019, then you will not qualify for the junior rate. Supporters purchasing student season tickets will be required to provide proof of their enrollment in full-time education by October 31, 2019. Valid proof of eligibility is a dated and stamped letter from your school or university stating that you will be undertaking a full-time course during the 2019-20 season, or a valid date-specific student ID card. For further information, please email the ticket office at email protected or phone 01792616400. You can also visit the ticket office in person between the hours of 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., Monday to Friday, or 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. on Saturdays. You can also request a call back by emailing Email Protected. Be sure to include your full name, account number and contact number. Asterisk, please note there is a £3.50 booking fee per season ticket when purchasing online, over the phone or in person. Asterisk, figures based on January 2018-19 early bird price. For frequently asked questions about season ticket renewals, click below. A vector graphic image of a document, to represent the file download. For terms and conditions, click below. A vector graphic image of a document, to represent the file download.